Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video is just a super quick tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an 8-ball pool mod, and this is going to allow you to get extended lines on your shots, and also get you free coins, so you can get unlimited free coins in 8-ball pool, and this is a APK download that you can literally open up alongside your existing game, and it's going to give you all of the benefits that I've just mentioned. So I'm sure you know the benefits if you've been searching for this. So let me record my mobile and show you guys how to do it. It does only take about 5 minutes, and yeah, this is going to allow you to completely dominate the game. So step one, guys. You can see I'm using my iPhone, but this works on iPhone and Android. You've got to go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and just make sure you have 8-ball pool downloaded, and also make sure it's the fully updated version. So once you've done that and you do have the app installed, the game installed, go to your internet. And you got to go to this website on your internet. So make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it, guys. www.speedyplugin.com. So spell it exactly like this. You've got to type it in your web browser to go directly to the website. And they have lots of different pages, and you can literally just scroll down and look for the 8-ball pool mod. Or you can go to the search bar and type it in there, and basically just navigate your way to this one here, and it says click to download 8-ball pool mod, and this gives you unlimited coins, extended line, and more. So basically, guys, this is going to be a mod APK file, and you can literally open your existing game up, have this open in the background on your phone, and it's going to give you all of these great benefits. So if you click on it, you need to basically download the mod app. So you can see it checks your device and does some complicated stuff. So it only takes a few seconds. So basically, guys, when this completes, I'm not going to do it, I've already done this. But yeah, you're going to need to just verify your device. Sometime, it doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes you're going to see a verification screen where it tells you what you need to do. Usually you just have to complete a couple of free tasks to verify your device, and then it's going to start installing the mod app once you've fully completed all of the instructions. So yeah, pretty easy, guys. And then once you have it on your phone, like I said, open it up in the background whilst you play on 8-ball pool. And it's going to give you all of those benefits. So go to speedyplugin.com and just follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video, and I hope you found this useful.